The diversity visa, also known as the DV lottery, is a chance for a fresh start. Each year, the United States gives 55,000 people the opportunity to become permanent residents. This is known as a green card. It's a really big deal. Perhaps you've always wanted to live in America. Maybe you want a brighter future for your family. The DV lottery could be your golden ticket, but first you'll need to find out if you won. Checking your results is thrilling, but it's important to be cautious. There are lots of scams out there. This guide will show you the safe and official way to see if you're a winner. There's only one website that can tell you if you won the DV lottery. This is the official website of the US Department of State. Don't trust any other website or email. You'll need your confirmation number. You received this number when you signed up for the lottery. Don't lose it. You can't check your results without it. The official website is simple to use, even if you're still learning English. We'll show you what to do, one step at a time. Ready to find out if your dreams came true? Here's how to check your DV lottery results. First, go to the official website. Insert official website address here. Don't click on any other links. Next, find where it says Entrant Status Check. Click on it, enter your confirmation number. Type it very carefully, then enter the year of the lottery you applied for, like 2026. Type your last name exactly as you wrote it on your application. Last, click Submit. The website will tell you if you won. If you won, congratulations. You'll see instructions about what to do next. If you didn't win this time, don't be discouraged. You can apply again next year. The DV lottery has specific rules. Don't trust anyone who asks for money to check your results or promises you a visa. That's a scam. Using the official website is free. Always double-check the website address to make sure it's the correct one. Keep your hopes up. The American dream is worth working towards. Follow the official rules, be patient, and don't give up on your dreams.